And for the last unboxing I'm gonna do for Monday, being today itself, is the other one. I finally got the other one in today, the Urshifu vbox. I showed the red one already I done, which was pretty disappointing to me, as in what was in the packs, the booster packs. But I still like the cards. But the booster packs really let me down. Can this redeem itself? I already opened it because one of the booster cards looked like it was tampered with. And I've had some V boxes that was re-glued, and people took some of the cards. I even got one from Amazon where the main card was flipped up, upside down, and had a basic common card. They took and kept the good card, right? And all the packs were open, and they were like wrestling cards, and not even good wrestling cards. So that was a sad day for me. But hopefully this can redeem itself. Let's go ahead and open these Mr. Cards first. Knock them out because I hate them. I haven't seen nothing good out of them yet. Alright, and here we have the Hoopa. This is a hollow. I would highly recommend getting the mystery packs that has, the actual packs that may have a vintage or, a chase card, because I don't think there's any chase cards out of these at all. This is just mostly set for if you want to build your decks up, or collect and build those up. I like the claymations a lot. I'm really big on that. Ever since I was a kid with the shows, TV shows, movies, and basically Earthbound. I really love the claymation styles, especially when they did the first Nintendo Power with Mario on it. This is something I haven't seen before. And Meow. Nah, I love this EV right here. I love the designs. I love the designs that got more going on in the background with multiple different Pokemon. That's what I really like. Yeah, the sad thing is I still got 4 more packs of these that I'm probably due tomorrow maybe. Alright, a reverse hollow Geodude. After that, Dratini. That's the regular one right there. So this definitely will fill up my binder of regular cards. Spoink. That's kind of crazy. Reminds me of the crew deluxes whenever you see the pig flying over. Well, actually, before we go oink. I don't know. Have y'all ever seen anybody do these type of mystery cards and have anything good in it? Go ahead and comment down below telling me, because I haven't seen nobody get any type of chase, like any big card out of it. Alright, we got a nice hollow Eevee. I guess this is for those people who really ain't got no hollows, the missing hollows or whatever. It's a good way to make up, get them. The boss's way. This is so basic. It's such a basic picture. It's like, one of your first Dragon Ball Z type pictures you drew, a basic Goku or whatever, when it first came out. That was how basic it reminds me. I do like the evolved version of this right here. It'd be nice to get what you call it, King. What's that? King Slowbrooks? It's got a different name, I'm pretty sure, but it's like where it jumps on its head instead. That's something I would like to get. I said PTSD does messes with your memory. It's like almost dementia on a lower scale. I hate it. Because most likely afterwards, halfway in the day or so, I'll probably remember and be like, man, there's a claymation looking. I like that. Alright, one more to go. It always feels like a chore doing these. Here's the derpiest one of them all. Stunfisk. This is so derpy. Derp. It's like, why? Some of the scientists get to me like, how did this get approved as well? We need some more thunder, some more electric types. Let's go ahead and make this derp. Oh, I like that. Lily pup. That's cute. Oh, whoa, where did these come from? Holy snap. Out of like 15 to 17 decks, I finally hit a GX? What? They're actually good cards? What? Heatran GX? The Danny GX? Holy crap. Did these mistakenly get in these? I mean, out of all the mystery packs I've ever seen of these done, I've never seen any GXs or anything else besides one holo. Wow. That just blew my mind. No, Pikachu. This looks like the second revamp right there. Because now Pikachu is so skinny and thin looking. I am so amazed. This blew my mind. I can't believe that. So I guess 1 out of 20 packs he make. That got me. Let's go ahead and do this big boy right here. And this is a regular vbox. It's not one of the premium boxes, so 4 packs and only 2 are battle styles. Okay, it's a better looking right here. In fact, do I have the other one close by to me? Oh lordy, I don't think I do. I think I put it up on the other side. Yeah. But they announced one of the newer ones. I think the other version had won the Pokemon tournament. The third one that they just done recently. So that's pretty amazing. I always enjoy the big cards. I always keep that. So that's the thing. It's just 2 battle styles, and they always have a Darkness Ablaze with a Crimson Invasion. I think that's what those are. Basically, they put the leftovers in there because you would think it'd be 4 battle styles, right? Let's go ahead and knock the battle styles out. Okay, Rapid Strike out of the way, and so basic looking. It looked like a sardine. Onyx. It's a nice design right here. Shinx. Pignite. Pignite. More Pico, the shadow version. Or basically when he turns from this anyways, let's put it that way. It's not even a shadow version, but I always call it that. It's just when he gets upset and when he get hungry and brown. Did this really come with no? Okay, here it is. Here's the reverse. I wasn't paying no attention. I thought I got a pack that had no hit in it. I'll be like, oh wow. I've had that happen, and it's a sad moment. Scatterbug. Yamper. Zubat. This one down in the wool style. Like I said, I give credit. At least they do different styles of looks. And we got Sardine. Uh-oh. Here we got another reverse hollow Senti Scorch, which I already have. Here we go. Urshifu. V. Rapid Strike. Is this the one? Look around, look around. Where did I place it? Where did I place it? I'm not too sure. I can't find it. Well, we got a nice hit. It's not the VMAX, but hey. This bad boy right here looks nice. I'm happy with it. So we got a good hit. And then we got a solo. So it's always a mystery if you got something nice because there's only one packs of different things and you never know if it's the one that got a hit in it. Some people weigh their cards to figure out if the ones that got a little bit more weight to it are the ones that has the the big stuff in it. I don't like those who do that because most of the time they tamper with the cards. Alrighty, right. This is a better design right here. Like I said, I enjoy when there's more going on in the background with more of the same characters or different Pokemons in the background. Those are the cards I like the most. Okay, reversed hollow right here. Is this Swelius? I'm pretty sure I said that wrong, like I always do. It's a nice looking Pokemon here. Crazy looking. Oh. Like I said, nothing about that. That's why it's always kind of sad when you only get one type of those packs. And then we're going to the Crimson Invasion. Last one of the day. Can we get something good? Reverse hollow, Cubone, I think I already have. Nothing spectacular. Those solos let me down. I think this is the best pull of the day. That's my personal thoughts. Let me know how you feel. What did you think? Please leave some likes, some comments, but always please subscribe. I can use those definitely, especially when I don't have a big following, big page, nothing too crazy with it. I'm always trying to do better with it, but I can't do it with just small things happening. Enjoy.